You have been driving for years, but I guarantee there are features in your car right now that could save you hundreds of dollars and prevent car accidents and make your life infinitely easier. Most drivers discover these too late, after they've already paid for expensive repairs or found themselves stranded. Today, I'm revealing the hidden features that car manufacturers don't advertise. Let's dive in. Feature number 1, the secret diagnostic mode. Did you know your car has a hidden diagnostic mode that reveals problems before they become expensive repairs? How to access it? The method varies, but most common is turn ignition to on position. Don't start. Press gas pedal to the floor 3 times within 10 seconds. Watch your dashboard light up with diagnostic codes. What you'll see: error codes, sensor readings, and component tests that mechanics charge $100 plus just to access and tell you the problem. Pro example: code P0171 means your engine is running lean. It's usually a $15 air filter fix, not a $400 fuel system repair that some shops might suggest. Feature number 2, the emergency unlock sequence. Imagine you're locked out and keys inside the car, and locksmith wants $150 for a 5-minute job. But, many cars have hidden emergency unlock sequences using your key fob, even with a dead battery. The method: hold the unlock and lock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Or try lock, unlock, lock, unlock in rapid sequence. Some vehicles respond to holding unlock while turning the physical key in the door. Alternative secret: your key fob has a hidden physical key inside. Look for a small release button or sliding mechanism on the fob itself. Why this works? These are factory-programmed emergency overrides that bypass normal electronic systems. Feature number 3, the secret fuel economy hack. Did you know your car has an eco mode that most drivers never access, but it can improve fuel economy by 15 to 25%? How to find it? Look for buttons labeled ECO, ECON, or a leaf symbol. Some require holding the trip reset button while turning on ignition. What it actually does: reduces AC compressor load, changes transmission shift points, limits throttle response, optimizes fuel injection timing. Pro tip: use eco mode for city driving. Turn it off for highway tours and hills where you need full power. Feature number 4, the emergency fuel reserve trick. Your fuel gauge hits empty, you're panicking. But here's what dealerships don't tell you. Most cars have a hidden reserve tank feature. When your fuel light comes on, you don't have just 5 to 10 miles left. You actually have 30 to 50 miles of driving time remaining. But here's the pro tip: look at your fuel gauge arrow. That little arrow points to which side your fuel cap is on. No more awkward gas station circling. But the real secret? Your car's computer calculates remaining range based on your recent driving habits. Drive gently after the light comes on, and you'll get maximum distance from that reserve fuel. Why this matters: I've seen drivers call expensive tow trucks when they had 2 gallons still in the tank. Feature number 5, the automatic window reset feature. Your windows suddenly stop working properly. They go down but won't go up all the way, or they reverse direction randomly. Most drivers rush to the mechanic thinking it's a $300 to $500 motor failure, but actually it's not. The secret fix: turn on your ignition, don't start the engine. Hold the window up button for 5 seconds after the window is fully closed. Hold the window down button for 5 seconds after it's fully open. Repeat this process for each window. Why it works: your car's computer forgets where the window limits are, especially after battery disconnection. Feature number 6, the tire pressure reset secret. Your TPMS light stays on even after adding air, and dealers want $50 to $100 just to reset it. The hidden reset process: inflate all tires to exact pressure, including spare. Turn ignition to on, don't start engine. Hold TPMS reset button for 3 seconds, usually near steering wheel. Start engine and drive 10 minutes over 30 miles per hour. If no reset button, some vehicles require specific driving patterns. Accelerate to 50 miles per hour, maintain for 10 minutes, then park for 20 minutes with engine off. Why dealers don't tell you. This simple procedure generates significant service revenue when drivers pay for professional resets. Feature number 7, the hidden cooling system purge. Your car overheats randomly? Mechanics want $500 plus for cooling system repairs. But there's a hidden air purge procedure that solves 70% of overheating issues for free. The secret process: do this when engine cold only. Never attempt when hot. Remove radiator cap and coolant reservoir cap. Start engine and let idle for 10 minutes. Watch bubbles rise out of the radiator. Add coolant as level drops. Replace caps when no more bubbles appear. Why it works: air pockets in your cooling system create hot spots that trigger overheating sensors. This purges trapped air that regular coolant changes miss. Warning sign: if you're constantly adding coolant but don't see leaks, you likely have air pockets, not a major repair. Feature number 8, the hidden air recirculation button. Many drivers blast the AC on hot days but leave the recirculation button off. This forces your AC to keep cooling hot, humid outside air, which makes your compressor and cooling fan work overtime. That little square button with a car symbol and a circular arrow, it keeps already cooled cabin air inside the system, making your AC colder, faster, and reducing wear. Usage: use recirculation when it's hot outside or you're stuck in traffic. Turn it off in cold or rainy weather to prevent fogging. Feature number 9, hidden tire arrow. Tires have built-in markers, but most owners and even cheap tire shops ignore them. Some tires have paint dots, yellow or red. Yellow shows the light spot of tire. It should be aligned with the heavy spot, usually the valve stem. This gives better balance and reduces vibration. Fix: when buying tires, make sure the dots align. If not, ask the shop. It prevents uneven wear and steering shake. Final feature: the hidden cabin air filter. AC smells moldy, airflow weak. Most drivers don't even know a filter exists behind the glove box. That cabin filter traps dust, pollen, even road debris. Over time, it clogs, making your AC blower motor strain, which can burn it out. Fix: filters are cheap and usually 2 clips away. Replace every 12 months or sooner in dusty areas. Fresh AIR, longer AC life. These features are already in your car. Manufacturers just don't advertise them because they want you coming back to dealerships for services you can do yourself. Try one of these techniques this week and let me know your results in the comments. Subscribe for more professional automotive tips that dealerships don't want you to know.